Hello everyone, my name is Wang. I am currently a DPhil or PhD student at the University of Oxford in the UK. Today, however, I'm going to share with you some of my experiences looking back at the time when I was an undergraduate student at Duke University in the US and how that experience has helped me to where I am today. I was very fortunate to get many scholarships when I was still a high school student, such as one from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, one from Greenhouse Scholar, and Dell's Foundation to attend college. And I know some of you are international students, and if that's the case, don't worry. Duke has a dedicated office, the financial aid office, who will help you with any kind of financial aid or scholarship related question for students from outside the country come to the US, Durham, North Carolina for school. I think for me, Duke is truly a special place. Seeing here is actually the icon of our school, the Duke Chapel. Actually, as an undergraduate student, your first year as a freshman, you will live in East Campus. East Campus is also very good. It's smaller than the West Campus, but you have access to all kind of facility. You have your own dining hall called Marketplace. You have Lilly Library. You have access to the Academic Advising Center. And then you have the University Shuttle will bring you from East Campus to West Campus. West Campus is where you see the Duke Chapel. We also have the garden, a beautiful garden that I highly encourage you to check it out. I'm sure you will if you attend Duke. Many students come there when they have a bad exam or they just want a relaxing experience. It's beautiful there. We also have so many different very good libraries. One of them is the Perkins Library right in the center of the West Campus. Students also often hang out and eat at the Bryant Center, where you have many different restaurants you can choose, and you have study space there as well, hangout places there as well. Then there's a pavilion, a very fancy glass building where you can buy almost any kind, a wide variety of different kind of food. I when I was there was like Indian food, Chinese food, steak, sushi, noodles. You even have smoothie and different kind of drinks. Oh yeah, speaking of smoothie, I think it's gone now, but when I was there at the gym, which you have access to, and then you have access to personal trainer as well. Anyway, it was very good smoothie place at the gym. That I highly encourage you to check out the gym and all this facility around you. Or really, anything that you need, there's something on the campus that will give it to you. So definitely reach out to different people and find out. I think what really differentiates Duke for me from other places is that Duke is truly a research university, a world-leading research university with access to hospital. And when I was there, I actually did HIV vaccine research, studying B-cell immunology at the Duke Human Vaccine Institute. And really, the university have so many resources for students to conduct research. When I was there, I started out as a research assistant in the biology department. Then I joined a program called Duke Leap, where I did independent study. I was matched with a postdoctoral researcher, and then they helped me go through the whole research project. I presented a poster at the end. Then you also have access to grants and funding through different departments, and the research support office at Duke is also very good to do summer internship somewhere or even inside the university. You also have access to publication opportunities both at the undergraduate level. So like we have a lot of different undergraduate journal where you can write articles and review papers for them. When I was there, I did one for or a couple for Duke Science Review Journal, for instance. You also have opportunity to present like here. Well, it depends on your lab also, but when I was there, I had my my PI, principal investigator, my mentor, will allow me to present my research at a conference as an oral presentation, which is very rare opportunity for undergraduate. And I actually, at the end of my undergraduate, I was able to publish 5 different peer-reviewed journal in leading science journal. So definitely, Duke does not lack the opportunities for you to do research, definitely, and almost any kind of topic that you're interested in or any kind of question that you have, there's always someone out there at the university who's the expert on that particular technique and topic that you can reach out to. So that is something very special for me and for many students there. Importantly, I think this is what I remember most and appreciate most about the university, is that you will have the opportunity to be mentored by the world-leading research scientists who will go extra mile to support and ensure that you have the best possible opportunity and experience to pursue your career mission and to explore them. And speaking of that, you can't deny that Duke classes, you can most of them you will taught by the world best researcher in their own field. And here is the picture of my quiz. I remember this class very fondly. We were taught by this professor who's so funny and knowledgeable, and it's truly make the class experience so interesting for everyone. Then you also have the opportunity to get exposure to international but also local opportunities. The International House, there's Duke Engage, a program where they bring you and other student to go to a country. When I was there, I did a program, Duke Engage in Vietnam, where I went to Vietnam with other Duke students to teach English and to build a house for a family. You can found your own organization. You have volunteer opportunities, as I mentioned, and what's special also is that you definitely should check out advising center. There's the career center do so many opportunities there. They have like access to company recruitment events. They help you with your CV. They help you explore different career options. And even as alumni, you will have access to some of the services for a very long time. And you also have access to Office of the University Scholar and Fellows, where they help you with like Fulbright, for example, different scholarship, even after you graduated from Duke. And I think this is very special for me, at least, and not many schools offer that, is that you will have the alumni email associated with the school for life. So that is very useful as well. And then at the end of my undergraduate, I actually was able to secure a research scholarship from the NIH, the U.S. National Institute of Health, to do a post-baccalaureate research program. Then I actually moved to Europe to do my master. It was under Erasmus master program in vaccinology, rotating through different university in 3 different countries. And that was definitely something that I attributed it to my experience and the opportunities that I had at Duke. And as I mentioned, I'm now a DPhil and PhD student studying vaccine immunology. But looking back, I honestly think that Duke was definitely play a very important part in my professional and educational journey. And if I can sum it up in one sentence, is truly the people who make all the difference. You will find a huge, diverse, very international, and very supportive and inspiring community of scholars and peers who will motivate and empower you to reach your best possible potential. And I hope to see many of you to apply to the school and to enjoy the experience as much as I did. Thank you.